Hello everyone, tech enthusiasts. Today we are here to learn together how to change the thermal paste of a laptop. This process is not only interesting but also extremely useful for all computer enthusiasts. Before we dive into the details, I strongly encourage you to subscribe and follow the channel to stay updated on our tech updates. Thermal paste, often an overlooked component, plays a crucial role in keeping our laptops in optimal condition. It acts as an intermediary between the processor and the heatsink, facilitating efficient heat transfer and helping to keep temperatures under control. Ready to start this tech adventure? Here, in this area of the heatsink, lies the thermal paste that we're going to replace. We begin with disassembly. Removing the screws holding the heatsink is our first step. This will allow you to access the whole thermal paste and transition to the new one. Now that we have the heatsink out, it is time to remove the old thermal paste. Before proceeding, make sure to disconnect the power source to avoid any uses with the motherboard. At this point, it is also crucial to clean any excess paste from the heatsink. Use isopropyl alcohol and be patient to ensure a clean and efficient surface. With the surface ready and free of residue, the exciting moment of applying the new thermal paste arrives. Remember, quantity matters. We want a thin and even layer for optimal performance. Let's use the select thermal paste. There is no need to overdo it. In fact, applying too much paste can be counterproductive. Precision is key. After applying the thermal paste, it is time to reassemble our laptop. Follow the steps in reverse order, making sure to place the heatsink correctly back in its place. And there you have it, friends. Now you know how to change the thermal paste of a laptop. While it may seem meticulous, this process makes a difference in the performance and durability of your device. If you have the desire to explore further in the world of technology and stay up to date with tutorials, reviews, and tips, I cordially invite you to subscribe to the channel and follow us on your social media. And so we conclude our dive into the world of laptops and thermal paste. I hope you enjoyed this content and found it helpful for your tech knowledge. Don't forget to show your support by liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell so you won't miss your upcoming tech adventure. If you have questions or wishes to share your experience, leave them in the comments. Until next, thank you very much for joining us on this tech journey.